Hi and welcome to the channel. My name is Anas, and this is a little channel update because I was bored last night and I started taking a look at my Flywhoo Goku stack and realized that screw it, I'll take it apart and see if I can fix it. So I took off the LED that I had problems with, that fell off, that I couldn't solder it back on. I cleaned up everything and desoldered all the wires, took it all apart and started from scratch, and I decided to use this as my tip, right? And this transfers heat really well, so I cranked it all the way up and did what Mr. Steel says you have to do. Don't use a lot of solder, just a tiny bit in and out really fast, and that seemed to work. So thank you, Mr. Steel. Your words and wisdom are here in my hand. So he uses a different tip, but whatever works, it doesn't really matter. It turned out really neat and nice, and I'm very proud of this. Some things that don't work because I've fried something, obviously, is the beeper. So there's something there. So on the board, because the beeper works in itself, and I've soldered on correctly, I think. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to recheck that. But the beep doesn't seem to work. The motors, they do obviously beep, so the ESCs work. It flies very nicely. It's for 2S. For now, it can do 3S, but I made this specifically for 2S. That was the idea. Because I think my other quad is gonna go on 3S. The HTLRC Parrot 120. That one is gonna go on 3S, and because I think that would be really good with those 5000 kV motors, or whatever it is that's in it. So yeah, so that's very cool. So I managed to film the rest of the build videos. I've got about 5 hours of build that I have to cut through, and I don't know if I'm gonna do it today. I'm gonna do it during sometime during next week. I'm just gonna have a happy weekend. I might look at it this weekend, but it's Sunday. I really want to have a day off, maybe go fly this, because I just built it. And my little camera platform here is doing okay. It's got some clipped antennas because I have actually flown this quite a bit, but it's still surviving. Crashing it in the garden seems to be okay. No worries there. Nothing to say about it. These props are great. The HQ, aren't they? The HQ. I don't know. I think these are the King Kong. LDARC. Yeah. These props are very nice for this tiny quad. I mean, these are both 2-inch quads, but very different, as you can see, right? It's much more compact, this one, and this one's got potential for 3-inch props, maybe. Oh yeah, but you see, but I put 2-inch on this because that seems very nice. But it's got potential for 3-inch props. I mean, sorry, not 3-inch, 2.5-inch. As you can see, you just missed the camera if you got the good up tilt. So that's just an experiment. We're not going to do that. Yeah, no problems. Definitely put 2.5-inch on here. But I wanted a 2-inch. I don't know, some people say it's not worth it. I still think it's worth it. I think that's the way it's going to go. They're just going to get better, the 2 inches. And I've got some different kinds of props. These are, I'm rocking the Gemfan Hulkies 2040. And these are the HQ props. I haven't tested these yet, but these seem to be a little bit steeper than these ones. Yeah, they are quite a lot steeper, so they should have quite some grip. So I'm gonna test those out as well, see which ones work the best. I'm also gonna try them on this one. I think these purple ones would be sick with the purple here. I've ordered a nano camera for this one, so that this one can be built finished, so that I have these two, so that's nice. Stay tuned for more RC related content and the build video, obviously, which is going to take some time to make. I'm going to go flying, and I hope, depends on the weather, but I hope you're having a great weekend and you're staying safe. And subscribe down below and comment. Please comment, because comments are really good. Comments kind of spread the videos. The more comments, the better. Yeah, hit the annotation bell and the like button, so that you can so you know when I'm uploading content, because I don't have a schedule. I just do these when I have the time to do it, because I like doing these videos. And yeah, fly hard.